Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Onyx. Wanted to do a quick update. We have fallen down to some very interesting support levels, so just wanted to talk about that. And just in general, I think some good times can be coming for Onyx. Now, I do want to give you a bit of a disclaimer. I think it's fair that you know that I bought XCN earlier this morning around 1.9 cents. So therefore, if you think this video is just telling you that that XCN will be bullish, so that you buy it so that I can profit, then please don't buy, all right? Because that's obviously not what I'm trying to do. But I bought because I think it's bullish. So I'm going to be telling you that I think we will still see a move up in the short term, and I'll tell you why. And obviously, I mean, nothing is certain for 100%. And what you can see is that XCN, at least since the 3rd of February, has been in a massive downtrend here. So that's that's definitely not the most amazing crypto to buy. But what we still know is that for Onyx, the 3rd of March, we have the mainnet coming out, of course. Now, volume has increased about 38%. We'll get to that a little bit later. But what I said in my last two videos on XCN as well is that I think the mainnet launch can still function as a bullish catalyst, all right? So that ahead of that, we can actually see some more bullish momentum. And then the big question is that, well, first of all, of course, will we actually see that, yes or no? At this point of time, it's 2 more weeks until the mainnet actually launches. So we have 2 more weeks in which we could potentially rally. And I think we are seeing early signs of that, but that remains to be seen. And then second of all, what we've seen so far with XCN mostly is that every time we had bullish momentum, it was just a short squeeze, all right? And we liquidated shorts, which there are quite a lot of shorters on XCN. And then after that, the price dropped back down. So that's the second question. Can we actually, expect that we're going to see a sustained rally? Or, like I said, is it more likely that it's, again, a short squeeze? So we'll talk about that. Now, I quickly wanted to take a look at whether we actually have some negative funding rates or not, because that can serve as an extra incentive to go long on this outside of buying spot. Yeah, I mean, funding is slightly negative right now, but it's nothing different from the last couple of days. But all right, what we've seen so far, first of all, is that we hit the bottom of our main support level right now. Our main support level before dropping down to the level right here at 1.5 cents, which is the next support level. But that's the support between 2 cents and 1.8 cents. Strong technical support level, as you can see that we've grabbed liquidity in this zone quite often, especially 2 cents, obviously, psychologically is a strong support level, but the rest of the level has also been has been respected in the past. We have defended it with volume. You can see once we hit the bottom right here, the volume peaked out around 77 million. And then after that, we also got some new bullish momentum pushing the volume right now up to where it is at almost $83 million. So the bottom is actually being defended, which is a confirmation that this is the bottom. And then, like I said, I mean, I don't really think there's a lot of shorts coming in. I think yesterday or the day before, we actually concluded that there at least were some shorts coming in. But outside of that, fundamentally, we have a reason to be bullish with the mainnet coming up. We've seen in the past that fundamentally bullish events like that have actually caused more bullish momentum before as well, like we saw at the end of January, for example, if some of you might still remember. So that's why I think we could see one more spike down into 1.8 cents. But I do think this level is good enough to get some sort of a move into 2.15, 2.2 cents. And then the question is, well, if this is a short squeeze, we would spike into 2.15 cents and we would drop back down. So the one way to actually realize whether this is a short squeeze or a real rally is the volume, all right? If the volume is is above $100 million with a wide margin, I would say this is a real rally, and we can rally all the way up to 2.5 and 2.55 cents. If it's not, the volume will be lower, and then it's more likely to be a short squeeze. I will keep you updated on that. For now, it's looking pretty good. Make up your own mind, do your own analysis. This is in no shape or form an endorsement to buy. You have to make your own decision, but those are my thoughts for now. So thank you for watching, take care, and bye.